Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen. If you're new here, welcome and please subscribe, comment and give me a thumbs up guys. So in this video I'll show you how I did this super gorgeous rubber band hairstyle. Guys, keep watching. My hair is already moisturized. I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear. I then put the back side on a ponytail and start working on the front part. You on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes, smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. I then section a small portion on the side. I'll be using this hair to braid the sectioned portion. I'll do the same on the other side. After doing the braids on both sides, I section this part like this and make sure the line is neat and straight. I again section a small line to do a cone roll. So I'll be having one section, a cone roll, another section, a cone roll, and the last section. In short, I'll be having 3 sections and 2 cone rolls. You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes, smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. Should get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost in you. Yeah, your blue eyes, all my plans reversing. You know that it's working. On the first section, I'll divide it into 3 portions. I'll be using these rubber bands to secure the portions. After securing the first portion using the rubber bands, I'll twist the upper part to make it easier to go on the next section. Then on the third portion, like the last portion, I'll not twist the hair. Instead, I'm going to combine it with the hair at the back. I'm gonna head to the middle section, and actually I'll do 4 portions because there is high volume of hair. And guys, have you subscribed to my channel? If not yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, guys. On the last section, I'll do the same way I did on the first section. When I'm done with the front part, I just take the hair on top, I mean the untwisted hair, and mix it with the back hair, then secure it. As you can see, I have already installed my extension. If you need to learn how I did it, kindly go and check one of my videos. I did more about that, and I will also leave the link to the video on the description box. I'll add 5 beads on each braid, the 2 braids I did on the sides, and then I'll secure the edges with 2 rubber bands. Just allow me to do some makeup, and I'll be back to show you guys how the style came out. Guys, as you can see, it's on point. Anyway, I'm so impressed on how the style came out, and trust me, you can rock on this style for a week, so give it a try. Thank you guys for watching till this far. Remember to hit the subscribe button, get me to 500 subscribers, and I'll really appreciate. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.